Welcome to the YouTube channel. Today we will see how to calculate expiry date in Python. We will see for both monthly as well as weekly expiry. Okay. So in I have seen that at many times whenever we are developing a algo, we struggle to find the expiry date. As we usually know, in NSE, expiry date usually falls on Thursday, and if there is a holiday on Thursday, then it prepones by one day until it's a working day. Okay, so let's go to the program. We will see how and what we have done. So we have a weekly expiry method as well as monthly expiry method. I'll explain the code in a while. And we are also importing few of the variables or libraries, sorry. Okay, so this is of no use. Okay, date time we are uh, having, as well as calendar time delta and pandas. So in weekly expiry, what we need to do is we have to get a current date, that is today's date, and we need to add days till next Thursday. How we are calculating it, I'll just explain it to you. So before that, I just want to say, in Python, datetime library always uses days as Monday as a 0 index and Sunday as a 6. So 0 to 6, 7, total 7 days. Okay. So what exactly I'm doing here is, uh, I have 10 minus weekday. So let's say current day is Wednesday. So the weekday in numeric form will be 2, because 0 is Monday, uh, Tuesday is 1, Wednesday is 2. Okay, so what this will give us, 10 minus 2 equals to 8, and we need to take remainder of division by 7 equals to 1. So basically we, for Tuesday we will add one day to it, sorry, for Wednesday we will add one day to it, that means Thursday will be calculated. Okay, if for example we are on Friday, and that will be number 4 index. Okay, so how will it calculate? It will calculate 10 minus 4 equals to 6, division by 7, remainder of division by 7 equals to 6 only. So that means we are adding in Friday 6 days we are adding, that means the next Thursday will come. Okay, so this is what we are doing at this particular line. So it will give us a next Thursday in any case. Now what we will do is we will check for holiday. Until and unless it is not a holiday, we will keep on subtracting one day from it and we'll keep on checking. So what exactly we are doing is holidays, whatever date, expiry date we have, we are passing it to here, and we'll check if it falls in a date holiday list. What is holiday list? I have a CSV file. In that I have kept all the NSE holidays from NSE's side. So it will check if it falls on that particular Thursday is the holiday. If it is a holiday, then it will simply subtract one day, that means it will fall back to Wednesday, and we'll again check if Wednesday is also a holiday or not. Okay, so that's how we are calculating weekly. So coming to monthly expiry, for monthly expiry, what we need to do is we need to find out the last day of a expiry. We are calculating month range and finding the date, last date of a month, and then from that day we are checking if it is a Thursday, weekday is Thursday or not. If it is not, then we are subtracting one day out of it. That means if let's say it was a Saturday, last day, that means 31st of January is Saturday, then we will subtract one day, that means Friday. We'll again check if it is Thursday or not. As it is not, then we'll subtract one more day. As soon as we get the Thursday, we'll come out of this loop, and then again we'll check for holiday. If it is not holiday, then that's. Now let me run this for you. As you can see, today is the 19th and I have added 20th as a holiday here, so it is calculating. I'll revert it back to 13 and then we'll see. So it was giving me 19th of May, that is today's date, as a weekly expiry, and 27th of May as a monthly expiry. As I changed the holiday in the holiday list, let me see, it should give 20. Yeah, 20th. So this is how we can calculate our weekly and monthly expiries in Python. Sometimes I have seen many guys are struggling or not able to find the solution easily for this. It's a very simple and straightforward thing. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, just please subscribe to the channel and like the video. I'll try to come with any other video, informative video, in couple of days. Thank you.